Welcome to my channel, friends. Another trip, another journey, going to another exciting place. And this time is going to be a bit different because I'll be following a trail, a special trail in the beautiful country of Sri Lanka. At the moment, I'm sitting in the Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi, and my flight is in a couple of hours. So if you stay with me, I'll show you the Colombo airport, and I'll take you with on this journey with me. And it'll be exciting 8 to 10 days, and I'll tell you all about Sri Lanka and all the nice places I'll be visiting. So I hope you'll join me, and you know, I can share this experience with you. So stay with me, and the next video, or the next part of this video would be the Colombo airport. I'll be giving you some information about the Colombo airport as well. This is the first time I'm going to Sri Lanka, so I'm very excited. So see you soon. Bye. So we have landed in Colombo. The flight was delayed, and so we just going to the few duty-free shops. Immigration was quite clear because I had done the online visa form. I'm going out now, and there's not really much here. Looks like it's a very small airport. I want to claim the baggage and maybe exchange the currency. So I will show you what the airport looks like. It was very smooth. I mean, apart from the delay, the flight was nice, the food was nice. Very old plane, but you know, it was okay. Three and a half, 4 hours. So I'm going to collect the baggage now, and I'll fill you in with more of the details about the airport a bit later on. So when you come out of the exit, you'll see people here. Welcome to Sri Lanka. So you can get the money exchange here as well, and their car rentals and everything. I will let you know what I did a bit later on. You can get the SIM card as well. This is the B&B I'm staying in. It's called Villa A50. I'll put the price in the description box. I can't remember now, top of my head. It's a bit too late in the night. Flight was delayed. It's very clean, very nice couple. A welcome drink and a towel. So, you know, I'm gonna sleep. I had to come out of the airport because he was waiting for me and the flight was delayed. So I did not get the SIM or the money exchange, but I'll tell you tomorrow morning. I'll fill you in all of the details. So for now, good night, and speak to you in the morning.